Hi, David here of Lancaster Honda. Here we have brilliant sporty blue Honda Civic SR model. I'll just give you a quick walk around, show you the condition of the vehicle. So it's beautiful colour as you can see there. Got parking sensors along the front, just give you a quick zoom in of where they're at. You've got one just on the corner there, and then a couple at the middle, mirrored each side there. Got black wheels on it, they do match the privacy glass at the back and your black spoiler there. Reverse camera on the back as well, makes that parking a little bit easier there alongside some parking sensors, so you should never have a problem backing up with this one. And I'll just pop the vehicle open, show you the boot space. So you do get a wiper on these, as you didn't used to on the older Civics. So you've got a cover here, it just pops out the way. Don't have to take it out to remove it though, nice and easy. You've got quite a lot of space underneath the boot floor as well. You could get a spare wheel in there if you did want to have one, but it does come with a tyre inflation kit in this little compartment here. So I'll just pop that tonneau cover back, close the boot, and then we'll just hop into the vehicle. So starting just here, we've got a folding mirrors button there. So we've also got the service history in the vehicle, so I'll just show you that now. So the vehicle has been looked after by us for its whole life. So you've got two stamps in the book there, one done on 7,000 miles in 2020, one done on 14,000 miles in 2021, both at Lancaster Honda. And what I'll do now is I'll just start the engine. Do apologise for the warning light just for low fuel, but we do also put £25 worth of fuel in for anyone who lives nearby, and if it's delivered, we also make sure there's fuel in to obviously get it to you, and there should be a little bit extra there as well. So just start the engine now. There we are. And as you can see, the mileage there, 14,797. So it's still very low mileage. And inside the vehicle, you get sat-nav in there. And as you can see, there's our location there for you. You also get reverse camera, so when you pop it in reverse, as I've already shown, you get a camera there, and you get 3 different settings. So you've got wide angle there, your standard view, and you've got a top down. Makes it nice and easy to park. You've also got dual zone climate control, so as you can see it's already functioning right now. Just at the top there, 16 degrees on the driver's side, 18 degrees on the passenger side. And then as far as connectivity goes in the vehicle, so just before we get there, you've got 6-speed gearbox there, auto stop start, and you've also got a brake hold function. So if you come to a complete stop and just before you set off, it'll hold the brakes and it won't move until you touch the throttle. And then if I can get the right angle for you, so just underneath the centre console, as you can see, there's a couple of connectors just down there. One USB, one's for HDMI, and then you've got a power outlet as well, and then you've got another USB under the centre console there. So just before we conclude this video, just show you some of the rear seat space. So as you can see, plenty of room there. You could definitely get a 6-footer in the back there. And then just finishing up with some of the wheel controls. So you've got all your cruise control functions on this side with your lane keep assist button there. And then you've got all your buttons to scroll through all your sort of trip computer functions here. And you've also got your phone buttons there. And then one of my favourite little features, you get automatic lights there, and you get automatic wipers on the other side. So in theory, you don't really have to do anything there. You just jump in and it'll sort itself out. And just before we end this video, as I said, folding mirrors there. If there's any info I've not covered in this video, or you want any extra information, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and we'll see what we can do to help you. Thanks, bye.